I have a book recommendation for you. Please know I do not recommend books lightly, only those that I think are must-read treasures. And I am delighted to share that my friend and fellow Charleston physician, Dr. Will Bulsiewicz, better known as the Gut Health MD and even the Gut Whisperer, has done it again. His first book, Fiber Fueled, in my view, is the top book ever written to educate folks on the vital importance and the proper care and nurturing of our precious gut microbiomes. And many others agree, as that book quickly zoomed to New York Times bestseller status. Congratulations, Will. And Will has done it again with the Fiber Fueled Cookbook. This book is not only chock full of delectable 100% plant-based recipes, it also offers indispensable wisdom and guidance, fantastic educational info for those struggling with gut issues of any sort. And people are always asking me for good resources for plant-based meals and dishes. Well, here you go. This book is the winner. I encourage you to read both of Will's amazing books, Fiber Fueled and the Fiber Fueled Cookbook. I can guarantee you that they will forever change what goes in your mouth for the better. And that is worth its weight in platinum. Thank you.